In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to take an appropriate trouser measurement. First, we'll start with the waist. While measuring the waist, you don't need to insert a finger into the tape because you want your trouser to be fitted at the waist even without depth. So for this waist, I'll be using 34. This is 34 inches for the waist measurement. And after taking the waist measurement, you take the length from the point where you took the waist measurement. That's where you place the beginning of your tape, and then you measure downward. This is the ankle region. So you can also go below the ankle region to have the total length of the trouser. While some people prefer their trouser to be above their ankle, others prefer it below their ankle or just at the ankle region. So you ask your client where they want their trouser to be. So the hip measurement, you locate the largest part or the most protruding part of the buttocks, and then you pass your tape around that region to have the hip measurement. So for this dummy, the hip measurement is 40. You take the lap measurement. While taking the lap measurement, you can insert 2 fingers into the tape for it to be free. So with this is 24 inches. You also go down to take the knee measurement by also inputting a finger into it. This is 18. The final measurement we are going to take is the ankle measurement. And by doing this, you ask your customers to raise their foot up. But because I'm using a mannequin, I'll be trying to support it. So you ask them to raise their foot up. After raising the foot, you measure your tape across. You can see the space in between. This will enable the trouser to move freely from their leg. So instead of taking your ankle measurement here, you take it like this around this region while raising their foot up. So this will give you a perfect ankle measurement. As one thing that tailors always find difficult getting is the crotch measurement in order for the trouser to sit perfectly at this region. So the crotch measurement, you can have it by telling your customer to sit down. I'll do a separate video on how to achieve the crotch measurement or how to divide it using the hip measurement.